Hey, this is Mark Mathis with e-commerce site owners, and if you want to get access to the full course, Clickfunnels for e-commerce, I've just put the final touches on it. You can see it behind me. It's ready to go for you. All you need to do is just click on the link below this video, and you'll get access immediately. Okay? Hope to see you on the inside of the private Facebook group, and if I can help you, just let me know. Thanks. Okay, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to give you just a quick overview of ClickFunnels and how to get around in the back end, because there's a lot of stuff going on, and I just want to make sure that you can find everything that you need to and the most important things. So first of all, you can see this Funnel Hacks webinar. I would definitely recommend watching this. It shows you how to hack other people's funnels to figure out exactly what types of things they're offering, what price points, what they're doing from a marketing perspective, and so it's free. Just click on that and check that out. When you log in, this is your main funnel dashboard basically, and it will allow you to see all the funnels that you've created. So right here you see that we haven't created any yet, and so none are showing, but when you get ready to create your first, you can just go build a funnel, and then they have different ones there, what they call cookbook builders. And then this is a classic funnel builder as well. So cookbook builder, I'll show you each of them. Basically, these are ones that people that they have these are ones. So basically, these are ones that they've already built out, and you can use automatically. And so they have survey, auto, webinar. They have it broken out by industry, type of funnel. So these are already built out. You just need to customize them. So let's just say, for example, that we want to do a survey funnel. Click on select funnel, and it tells you exactly what it's about. He goes through an explanation. This is Russell Brunson, by the way, and he's the founder of ClickFunnels, very smart guy. And then so it tells you what it is, and then it allows you to see all of the different options for how you want them to look. And these are just basically starting templates that you can use. You can customize any of these, or you can create your own. So these are the paid ones that cost a little bit of money, and then these are the free ones. So getting started, let's just use this free one. And then what it will do is you just click on this and say get funnel, and it will import it into your account. And so at this point, it will import in your account. It's totally free to use forever. And then it will take you to this page. So you can see you just got a badge. So there's gamification and ClickFunnels backend, and so everything that you do, you get additional points and things like that for. So on here, this is the funnel editor backend. So it allows you to add new pages in, modify pages, and do a lot of other things. So first of all, let's start at the top and go through each of the different links. So this is a link it basically shows you the link where if you go into Chrome and you copy and paste this, it will take you to the public version of this page. Okay, so you'll notice that it's just it's got this weird URL. I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain on here as well. You can also customize all this to be wherever you'd like it to be. If you click there, it opens it in preview in Chrome. Right here, it copy URL to clipboard, visit the funnel URL. What is the funnel URL? Steps. This shows you all the different pages that you have in the funnel. And again, a funnel is a sequence of web pages. Okay, it goes from one to the next, and it's organized from the very first page to the final page in the funnel over here after you do that. Stats is where you'll be able to see page views, opt-ins, that kind of stuff. You can sort by dates. You can also filter by traffic sources and things like that. Right here is where you'll be able to see all your contacts that have come through this funnel. And then right here in settings, you can add a tag to group things together. This is the URL, as you want it to be. This is the name. You can change that to whatever. You can choose a custom domain in here if you have that. Set up your SMTP configuration. This is basically what email address will be used to send out emails like abandoned cart emails and things like that. Head tracking code. This is where you'll put your Facebook pixel code for retargeting. You also have a place for body tracking code. And this, once you put it in this one place, it will apply to all the pages in your funnel. So it's really handy. When you set up Stripe, you'll have that show up here, and then these are built-in Zapier integration. So Zapier is basically a multi-tool. It connects from and to a lot of different applications like Gmail, MailChimp, Google Sheets, ActiveCampaign, and all different types of applications. And you can get a free account with Zapier, or depending on how much you use, you can upgrade very cost effective, but it's a wonderful tool, and it's built in natively to Clickfunnels, so definitely check that out. If we go down here, here's webhooks, and that's a little more advanced, and then these are a little more advanced as well. These are for integrating for Clickfunnels, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, PayPal, affiliate networks. And so let's just say save and update settings right here. And then we haven't made any changes, but that's what you would do. And so we went through all these top ones. Again, this is overview. This is the page that you're on, overview. Automation is where you would add any emails or SMS messages that you're going to be sending out. So you do add new email, and when you get SMTP set up, you'll be able to add those in for abandoned carts and that kind of thing. Publishing, this is where you can add some additional features to the page. Typically, what you'll do is you'll use some of these on some pages and some not so often, but you can add the page into another page, embed code. Click pop code is where it basically, you click on a link and it opens up in another window to show you this page. So just some additional features here. You won't use it a lot, but it's there if you need it. And so let's go back to this actual editor page. So this is where we'll actually edit the page. I'm going to go through in much more detail on how to edit any page in here in another video. But for this one, let's just go ahead and finish the overview of ClickFunnels, and then we'll come back in another video. So ActionEdX, again, is an upgraded part of ClickFunnels. So it's $297 per month at the time of this video, and it gives you a lot of different features and functionalities. Especially you can build out entire action sequences, as they call them, and action funnels, where you can send automated text messages, emails, postcards, all kind of different things, and you can watch the videos to find out more about that when you get to a level where that's something that you're interested in. Backpack as well. This allows you to, if you have a product or a membership site that you would like to start your own affiliate program for, this allows you to do all that built in, and it does all the tracking. So that's very nice. You get that as well when you upgrade to ActionEdX for $297 a month. So right here is your help. Support documents, get help. One wonderful thing that you'll notice about ClickFunnels is the support is outstanding. And typically what I do is I'll just use the chat feature. You can just type in your question here, and then it will give you some suggested answers, contact support, and then you can create a ticket or ask on Facebook. And sometimes when they're live on chat, you can actually just chat with them there. So the support on ClickFunnels is outstanding, and I think that's one of the best features overall, because I've been on a lot of different platforms that's definitely not the case. They really pride themselves on helping you to be successful. So that's the help section. These are all the notifications, and then in this account settings, here's where you can add all of your account details, your billing, what you have on file for subscriptions, notifications, page templates. These are ones that you've created that are custom to you. Those will all be in here. You can also do email templates. Your digital assets, we'll go over these as well. This is where you would upload, PDFs that you want to give to people that can be downloaded, or ebooks or files or anything like that. You can host everything here. You don't have to host them externally. Integrations, this is where you can integrate with different service providers. So, here's a list of all the different ones: Aweber, GetResponse, GoToWebinar, Infusionsoft, all these different ones. So these are built in natively, and so you can interact back and forth with your funnels. and these other systems. So it really allows you to do a lot of different things in an automated fashion to save you a lot of money. Payment gateways, again, this is where we're going to set up a Stripe gateway to collect money. You can use a lot of different other kinds, but we like Stripe the best if you don't have one, because it's so easy to use and so quick. Outgoing SMTP, this is where you're going to be sending emails out, typically for abandoned carts, but you could also do follow-up sequences, promotional emails, all that kind of stuff. So we'll show you how to do all that. Custom domains, I'm going to show you in the bonuses you get when you sign up under my affiliate link. I'm going to show you how to get a brand new domain for 99 cents. And so this is where you'll add all that. I'll show you how to do that. And then global unsubscribes is basically it shows you everyone who's unsubscribed from your different funnels and your list. So anyway, that's a good overview of ClickFunnels and the back end to show you where to get around and everything. So again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Ask a question in the Facebook group, and I'll see you in the next video.